guys, it's Nigeria. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title and by where we are today, we are in my kitchen because, like you could see, ignore my dog squeaking. Like you can see by the title, we're going to be following a tasty chocolate chip cookie recipe. It says the best chewy chocolate chip cookies ever. Also, this is my first time ever making homemade chocolate chip cookies by myself, so we're gonna see how this goes. So let's just see what ingredients that we need. So I have all the ingredients. So we had only light brown sugar, so I went to the store and got dark brown sugar because everyone in the comments was like, if you're doing this recipe, use dark brown sugar. So the ingredients are brown sugar, butter, salt, vanilla. It calls for 4 ounces of dark chocolate and 4 ounces of regular chocolate. I don't eat dark chocolate, so I just got like regular milk chocolate. Everyone in the comments was saying you can use like chocolate bars, just use like a real brand of chocolate bar. So I just got Hershey's chocolate. Also got chocolate chips. I might add chocolate chips, I'm not sure. I actually only have baking powder. What's the difference between baking powder and baking soda? I want to Google it. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, you can still use it. And then I have a bowl, and then I'm just gonna get a whisk and this. I want to use like the same things that they use, so I'm gonna try to find a whisk. Honestly, don't know if we have one, but I'm gonna try to find one. Flour is also one of the ingredients. It says a half cup of sugar. I don't even have measuring cups. I'm so ill prepared. Hold on. So we get half a cup of sugar. So 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Basically it calls for 8 ounces and like 4 dark, 4 milk, but like I said, I don't like dark chocolate, so I'm just gonna do all milk. I have one bar that is 2.6 ounces. I have one that's 1.55, and then another one that's 1. So I think we have more in the pantry, like small ones. So the butter is chilled. We're gonna put it in here and whisk it. Mine doesn't look as thick as theirs, and I wonder if it's because my butter isn't like butter. Should I add like more? We're gonna leave it as is for now, even though it's not as thick. Like, it's such a different consistency. I'll put like a picture of theirs on the screen, and this is mine. Should I add more? It's fine, let's just leave it for now. Egg time, we're gonna add in 1 egg. Teaspoon of vanilla. I have a 1/4 teaspoon, so I'm just gonna do 4 of these. Oh my God, I'm literally a mess. Okay. 1 1/4 cup flour. I'm sifting it in because I'm a professional and because the video says to. Also, I'm not a professional. A 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So it says like if you have baking powder, you just triple it. I'm just gonna double it because I feel like tripling it is a lot. Please don't roast me in the comments, because when it comes down to it, you're not the one eating it, so it really doesn't matter. This is really liquidy. I'm like really nervous. Hopefully once the flour gets in there, it'll be a little bit better. Like, it's kind of like runny. Should I add more flour? You guys are probably like, no, in the comments, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more flour. Just so, oh no, because then there would be like cakey, right? Like, theirs is so thick. Like, I did something wrong. I'm gonna add just a little bit more flour. Okay. We're adding the chocolate. A little bit of semi-sweet chocolate. We're gonna mix it again. gonna chill it. So hopefully that'll like help it out a little bit. It's good though. So, but that looks pretty good, guys. Like, come on now. All right. So I'm gonna cover it, and then we're gonna chill it for a little bit, maybe like an hour. Okay, so it's actually the next day because I went somewhere yesterday and this was chilling in the fridge like all night. Thinking it should be fine. I'm hoping it should be fine, but we'll see in the video. They use kind of like a bigger ice cream scoop, so I have this one and this one. I feel like they use something like in between, but I think I want to use the smaller one because if I use these, the cookies are literally gonna be like ginormous. So I'm gonna use this one instead of this one because like no. So anyways, this is the cookie dough. I think I might need a bigger cookie sheet. I'm gonna try to make them as even as possible. Okay, so the recipe says 12 to 15 minutes, but everyone in the comments was saying like 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put these in for 10 minutes and then we'll see how they turn out. They look really good. They taste really good, like the dough. I know you're not supposed to eat raw cookie dough, but everybody does it. So yeah, let's put these in for 10 minutes and then I'll come back when they're coming out of the oven. Our oven doesn't have like a little window thing, like it's like frosted, so I can't do like a when it's like cooking slow, you know what I'm talking about, when you like record it cooking and then you like speed it up and stuff. I can't do that because our oven door is frosted. So now we're just waiting for 10 minutes. I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit. They look so good though. I'm so excited. They look really good. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna let these sit for a little bit and then we'll come back in maybe like 5-10 minutes and try one. Okay, you can't really see them. So I just got 3 from the cookie sheet, and then I got some almond milk. So let's try them. All right, let's see. They look really good. Let's see. These are really good. They're really chocolatey, obviously, because like the chocolate chunks and stuff. They're really good though. They're like a little tiny bit undercooked in the middle. But I also think it's because they're still like really warm. The video of the recipe that I followed will be linked down below. So yeah, definitely recommend following Tasty or BuzzFeed. Honestly, I never made homemade cookies before, like I said in the beginning, and it turned out pretty good. These cookies are really good. I definitely recommend like reading the comments and stuff because that's where I got like a lot of my tips and stuff that I probably wouldn't have knew before I read the comments. So if you're like following any recipes from a YouTube video, read the comments first because these are like people who did it as well, made mistakes and like knew how to fix them and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. I'm pretty sure this is the last video of Vlogmas. I kind of like was a little bit behind. I wanted to post a little bit more videos than I did, maybe like 2 or 3 more, but it's fine. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed my Vlogmas season 1 or Vlogmas 2021. Like I said, this is my first year of Vlogmas and it was really fun. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing Vlogmas next year and just try to incorporate more vlogs onto my channel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.